How to create a crypto.com account. Hello everyone. Crypto.com is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, where you can buy and sell a wide range of cryptocurrencies. In this video, I'll show you how to create a crypto.com account. To create an account and receive attractive offers from crypto.com, visit coinaz.net/crypto.com. Or click on the crypto.com account creation link in the description of this video. Let's get started. First, choose the account type. There are two options, individual and business. I'll choose individual. Enter your email address. Click here if you want to receive updates from crypto.com. Then, click Create Account with Email. Crypto.com just sent a verification code to your email. Please check your email. This is the message that Crypto.com just sent me. If you don't see the message in your inbox, click More. And check your spam folder. Now, I'll open the message. Copy the verification code. Then, paste or enter the code here. Next, enter your mobile phone number. Click Send Verification SMS. Enter the verification code sent to your phone number. Now, create a password for your account and confirm it below. Click Continue. To secure your account, you'll need to verify your identity. Click Agree and Continue. Click Start. If you want to change the country or region where your document was issued, click here. Next, select a document type for verification. There are three options: identity card, driver's license, and passport. I'll choose identity card. Select Allow to access the camera, and place your document inside the frame. The next step is facial verification. Click Continue. Your documents are under review. You will receive an email notification once the review is completed. I've completed the guide on creating a crypto.com account. Wishing you success.